Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. You know, I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is unconditional love. You are unconditionally loved. That means everything that's coming your way is going your way. Are you ready to have your way? Make sure that you reflect the love and the prosperity that you're actually feeling and receiving to the rest of the world. It gives them the confidence that they know that life can turn around for us. Because if you could be filled up with love and have this confidence and this energy, so can they. When you look into the eyes of people, the gateway of their soul is their eyes, you can see the child within everyone. And then you can easily show love to everyone and show that, wow, there is positive people in the universe. My heart is free from resentment towards others, and I open my eyes of my heart and discover the light and beauty in every being, that childlike being. I'm aware of the suffering that can be caused, and hurt people, heal people, heal people. And I see the pure child in everyone, and I practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is a huge breakthrough for everyone. It shows and opens up so much more space for light, positivity, and you will actually be a great role model for everyone to actually mimic when you show forgiveness. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.